Hey, welcome back. This is Handyman University. My name's Brennan. Today's video is going to be handyman jobs that can make you $1,000 per day. Sounds a little too good to be true, but let me tell you, it's definitely true. I've done it myself several times, a bunch of times actually, especially this year. And I wanted to share kind of how I do it and some of the jobs that I do to do that and how I do that. But first, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Really appreciate that. And anyways, let's get into the list. So the first one, and this is a real kind of gold mine that I found towards the end of the fall here, is roof cleaning slash demossing, specifically the demossing part of it. I live in an area where there's tons of lakes around, and so there's lots of little camps around, right? And most of these camps are kind of built in between all the trees, so they're very shaded, and moss tends to grow on them very easily, very quickly. And I had one lady needed her roof cleaned off and her house power washed. And so I gave her a price of like $850. My brother and I were there for 2 hours, pressure washed the house, cleaned off the roof, demossed it. And while we were doing that, the neighbor wanted hers done, her roof demossed as well, and I gave her a price of $350 for that. We were in and out of there in an hour and a half, and right there is over $1,000 right there. And most of it's materials. It was like soap, and it was house wash, and demosser was only like $50 for both houses combined. So anyways, this is like, I think next year I'm gonna market this harder on the lakes. Like, people on the lakes talk like nonstop. My brother has a dock install and removal business, so he already's got tons of customers on the lakes, all locally. They do about 120 docks a year, every fall, every spring. So there's a lot of potential customers right there. But you just go around, and all you need is a push broom. You just sweep off all the moss that you can get off. You leaf blow it off. Then you just get the demosser that screws into the hose, and you just spray it, and you just leave it. That's it, and you're good to go, and you can collect a nice $350. Now there was two of us working, so it would take probably a single guy maybe like 3.5 hours by himself, depending on the roof. They weren't huge roofs, but they were pretty bad, so you could probably charge more. The second person that I told $350 was like, okay, great, when do you want to do it? I was like, I'll do it right now. And they're like, okay. So yeah, this could be a huge job. I mean, you just got to do 3 a day, and which you easily could do in like a 8-hour day, because you probably won't be driving far if you're on a lake. Like, you'll just be going around probably. So that's the first one. Second one kind of ties into it, is house washing. This I usually get about 500 to, I've gotten 850 before, to basically wash a house. You just kind of get your pressure washer. You don't want to use like high pressure up the siding. You don't ever want to shoot up the siding. You want to work like down, that way you're not shooting up into it. But I use like just some house wash. Basically just try to let the soap do the work. Sometimes I'll scrub if I need to, but these usually take me about a good 4 or 5 hours on average. So you could do 2 of these a day at 500. People pay that all day. Your market might be different, but you can mess around with it. People will definitely pay for it. And that's another way that I have made $1,000 in one day, and you could too. The third one is shutter painting. This one's hit or miss. Ideally, you can do them in like 2 days. You got like a half day of taking them down, and then you got a day of prep and painting, and then you got another half day of putting them back up. So I usually get like 2,500 to 3,000 for like a full set of shutters on a house, depending how big the house is. So this could work out to $1,000 a day over multiple days, if things go smoothly, obviously, which tends to not happen. But that would break down that 2,500 roughly like 500 materials, and you got like 1,000 labor for both days. So that's another way that I've made $1,000 a day. Furniture assembly. So a lot of these jobs, like coming up in the next couple jobs, a lot of these I kind of tie in together. Like, I'll hit this job at one place and I'll go to this job, because sometimes it can be hard, unless you're really good at scheduling or you have a lot of jobs coming at once, to schedule like multiple of these these jobs at one time. That's how you get like $1,000 doing like the roof clean. You got to schedule like multiple of those same jobs during one day, which can be kind of difficult. And so ideally, what's worked best for me is to take kind of a mix of all of these jobs, and just like, I'll go do this job at one place, this job at one place, this job at one place, and kind of all that can equal up to $1,000 pretty fast. So the next one's like furniture assembly. Assemble a lot of standing desks. Actually, were kind of huge during like last summer. Everyone was doing them. I guess everyone was working from home, and I was just charging $250 a piece to put those together. One lady had me put 2 together. I think it took me like 4 hours if I remember right. It took a little longer than I wanted to, but I mean it was $500 in 4 hours, so I'm not gonna complain too much. And there's no materials or anything, so that's just straight labor. And yeah, so you stack that, and then another one is satellite dish removal. I heard someone in a podcast, I think it was like Alan Lee's podcast, I think it was him. Someone was saying that they did satellite dish removal, and I was like, that's genius. I mean, I've had a couple people ask me to do it, but I never thought about actually pursuing that, like just itself. And so that's proven to be pretty lucrative. I've gotten like $150 per removal. Doesn't take you that long. You just go up, take the bolts out, take the dish down, put some caulk in there, and call it good right there. The next one would be landscaping. I've actually made so much money doing landscaping. Most of the jobs that we do is like someone's got a flower bed or like some kind of garden. We have to dig it up, de-weed or like de-root the entire thing, and then they want like you put your plastic down and then mulch the whole area. We were charging our rate like $125 an hour, and that was easily making $1,000 a day. Another common one is gutters. $200 per house, takes you like an hour. That can be a fast one. I do a library for $300. That took me 40 minutes this year. It's an annual contract. And there was another house I did. That took me 40 minutes. That was $300. So I mean, there's money to be had there. And lastly is that I find that it's really good is exterior door replacement. Just like a standard door, nothing crazy, like a side door or something. These ones usually get like $300 to $750 for just labor. And last one I did 300 labor for, and it only took me 2 hours. So if you did a couple of those in a day, obviously they all got to go pretty smoothly. This one did, fortunately. Then you can make $1,000 a day there. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people don't think you can make $1,000 a day as a handyman. I had probably $15,000-$20,000 days this year, and it really wasn't that hard. None of them were really, maybe I think one day was like a really long day. Other than that, they were all under 10-hour days. They wasn't working like crazy hours or anything. Yeah, I have my brother work with me. We work together. But a lot of these did solo. These weren't like both of us there at the same time. And the days that we were there, we were pulling in more like 1,700-1,800 a day. So it is possible. And even when I first started solo, I was solo 2 years ago. 2 years ago, my best day was like $1,250, and there was actually zero materials that day whatsoever. So hopefully this helps somebody out. I don't know, gives you some more ideas what to charge. Think about a little bit more jobs you could offer or something. Definitely make $1,000 a day. The key is really just scheduling them in an effective way and having minimum charges on these jobs, or just charging for the job. Because if you can get $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, you can do 2 hours at each place and go to 4 different people in a day. You're working, let's say, 9 hours with travel time or something, and there's your $1,000 right there, just doing small little jobs. That's the way to do it. That's what I found to be the best. The bigger jobs are kind of harder to get $1,000 a day. We did paint a house this summer, however, and we did end up making $1,500 a day on that. We were there like 8 days, and that was $1,500 profit. So it's possible, guys. It's really possible. You guys can do it. The hardest thing is just doing it consistently. I wish I could do $1,000 every single day, but it seems to come in spurts. It's like you got some good days, like 500-600 here, and then it's like, oh, here's a big day, and then it kind of is like, oh, here's an average day. So if any of you guys are like, oh man, I can make $1,000 a day consistently, let me know. I want to know how you're doing that. That would be the dream right there. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully, like I said, this helps somebody out, and I'll see you in the next one.